Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to view all website subscriptions linked with your Gmail account. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to the Gmail official website, that is www.gmail.com, and hit enter. Now it will open your Gmail account. Now on the left side, you will see here more, just click on it. Now here you will see here one option, manage subscriptions, so just click on it. So now it will show you all the website subscriptions linked to your Gmail account. So you can clearly see in my case, I have a tons of respective websites that my Gmail account is being subscribed. So you can see here unsubscribe option. If you want to unsubscribe, then you can just click on the respective option to unsubscribe. Just by clicking on this unsubscribe, click on unsubscribe, then it will directly get unsubscribed. So similarly, you can do the same thing if you want to unsubscribe from the respective websites. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily view all website subscriptions linked with your Gmail account very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.